morning, Crocs of Crystal Lake, where we are considerate, responsible, organized, cooperative, and safe. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Today's National Day is Find a Rainbow Day. I know we haven't had any rain today or yesterday, so it might be hard to look out that window and see a natural one built in the sky, but there are many, many, many ways to find a rainbow today. So I look forward to seeing some of the rainbows you create. Or you can build one with some art. You can use paint or sidewalk chalk or paper or crayons, however you find to bring some color into your day. Please stand as we prepare for the pledge and today's patriotic song. Place your right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
For spacious skies, for amber waves of gray, for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Oh, beautiful for patriotry that sees beyond the years, thine alabaster cities gleam, undimmed by human tears. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea.
I'm ready, day 5. Guys, you guys have almost hit your 45 minutes in math and in reading. But remember, for those of you that might be a little bit behind or need a couple more minutes, you have until Sunday night. We look forward to announcing the classes that hit their 45 minutes on Monday. Keep that working up real hard. Virtual Field Trip today is brought to you by Yellowstone National Park. Wow, there's some cool things to see at this park. I look forward to seeing what you learn, and I look forward to learning a little bit today myself. Our spotlight student comes from Miss Johnston's room. Wow, Miss Johnston, way to engage your students in writing from afar. I saw another video yesterday morning of one of Miss Johnston's students sharing what they wrote, and it brought a smile to my heart. Today's weather is a little warmer than yesterday, but still gorgeous out time. Get outside, do some chalk art, and just have some fun with your family today. Don't forget to keep reading those books and taking those reading counts tests. We have our top winners of the week for reading counts points. Drum roll, please. Wow, guys, way to go. Keep the great work up, keep reading, and maybe you could be featured on our news next week. Thank you so much for tuning into the news. And remember that here at Crystal Lake, we are considerate, responsible, organized, cooperative, and safe. Always show your true colors.